Hi, boys and girls. We're going to practice some letter sounds, the letters that we've gone over so far in this beginning of this year. We've learned A, M, S, and P. So we're going to practice those sounds of the capital letters and the lowercase letters right now. And why are we practicing letter sounds, boys and girls? So we can read and write, okay? So when I hold up the card, you tell me the sound. If you don't know the sound yet, that's okay. After 3 seconds, I will say the sound. Okay, here we go. Ah. S. P. Ah. S. P. Very good, boys and girls. You can practice those sounds with me as many times as you feel like you need to until you know those sounds really well. Okay? Thanks for practicing with me. Bye.